Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. Know your Raspberry Pi model and whether you have a compute module carrier or a Pi with PCIe exposed. Once confirmed, gather the GPU, a compatible PCIe riser or M.2 adapter, and a dedicated 12V PSU rated 6 to 8 amps. Make sure the Pi OS is up to date, enable SSH for headless access, and update the bootloader so the Pi can initialize external devices. Now prepare anti-static protection and power off the Pi before proceeding. Next, mount the GPU onto the riser or M.2 adapter and secure it with standoffs to avoid short circuits. Once done, wire the 12V PSU to the riser's power input and ensure a common ground between the PSU and the Pi. Use a multimeter to check voltage and continuity before powering. Then connect the riser's PCIe interface to the Pi's carrier board or adapter slot, making sure connectors are snug. After connections, tidy cables to avoid fan or heatsink contact, and double-check polarity and grounding. Finally, apply power to the 12V PSU, then boot the Raspberry Pi and monitor DMESC or journoctal for PCIe enumeration messages. You want to see the GPU device appear. Once detected, install the appropriate kernel drivers or Mesa stacks, and run a simple GPU test like glzinfo or a small compute benchmark to confirm acceleration. If you see failures, stop and power down. Common fixes include reseating the riser, repairing ground or 12V wiring, and reviewing DMESC for specific error codes to guide troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.